Hello and welcome to the Badge Maker overview. In this video, I'll guide you through the different features of the software so you can make your own ID design in minutes. The Badge Maker is a free-to-use ID design software with hundreds of free ID templates that you can customize or create your own with a blank template. Select your template and begin designing the overall layout of your ID template. Start by selecting card options that apply to your ID cards, vertical or horizontal layout, double-sided ID card, and adding a slot punch. Add new shapes or change the existing ones to your needs and customize the colors. Now that you have your template layout, you can personalize your ID card. Add your text information into the existing fields or add your own. If you're making multiple ID cards for your organization, you can add smart text and upload member contents later for an automated ID process. Upload your headshot or use a variable photo field if you're making multiple ID cards. If you used smart text and variable images in your design, go to the My Members tab to add your team individually, in bulk, or by integrating your software to automatically make ID cards. Add security features like a barcode, holographic overlay, or create a QR code. You can also add an accessory such as a lanyard or badge holder to display your ID card. Now that your design is complete, save your template and then have your ID cards printed and shipped to you by clicking Print Professionally. Now that you've seen the Badge Maker in action, create your own ID card with IDCreator. Thank you for watching.